My name's Liz Shannon. I work at the body repair shop in Salisbury Plains. I started in the industry working for a pop-up hail business that moved around Australia. So I got employed there. My partner was actually working there and he introduced me to the bosses and I became their parts manager. And I started from there and learnt from there. Once the contract ended with that company, Mick, my boss here, had actually heard about me through the grapevine and had requested that I come and have a meeting with him, as they didn't have a parts person working here at the time. So I started with Mick and so I have a few different roles within this business. So I'm actually parts manager, who I have an assistant for doing all of the stuff in the workshop for now. I also do administration as well as assistant accounts. I like the environment that I work in. So being in a male dominated environment is a little bit different. And it's very just grow with the flow kind of thing. So I just like the environment that I'm working in. I come to work, it's like a family business and everyone that I work with here is like family, and we all get along really, really well and it's a great team environment and I love that and I love coming to work every day. I really enjoy it. It's not really too much that I dislike about it, to be completely honest, because I do really enjoy my job. Parts delays it's probably the dislike because that obviously slows down things for the customers and stuff like that, but I really love working in this environment. I really enjoy it. Who do I most admire? I would have to say Mick, to be honest. He has come from and built what we have today here now. He started where it was just him and his brother. And to see somebody who come from like the bottom and has built it to what it is today, that's really inspiring. And I love the fact that I work for somebody who was just a general working person who has built it to be what it is today. Okay, my first car was a VE Commodore. I now drive a Ford Ranger. Dream car, convertible of some sort, to be honest. Love a convertible.